Peace to the family, peace to you, peace to yours. It's your brother from the inside of AI, Spin, and we back at it again. So now this season of the Ascended Masters, we're gonna go ahead again and stick with the new mentee scheme and say this is the new Ascended Masters. So a couple things I have in my notes here about the new Ascended Masters. First off, welcome. Second off, thank you. We're appreciative to have you here, and we're ready to learn with you. All right. So this season, we're going to start off with the idea that if a person knows what AI is, what it serves as, what it can do, what it can't do, the ups, downs, the all arounds of what the buzzword AI, artificial intelligence, truly is. Okay. So coming from a developer, an engineer standpoint, if y'all understood what prompting is, you prompt better. Okay? If you understood what an MVP was, you'd make better ones. If you understood app building, if you understood where you can use AI in your day-to-day with your health, with your fitness, the meal planning, okay? What you can do in your business, even what you can do on the job. As long as you know what the tools are, you know where you can apply them. Now, this makes it AI for everyone because it's genuinely a mindset in which we use the tools. Okay? So that will be in AI foundations, truly figuring out what this thing is, how to find work in it, how to create business out of it. Okay? Foundations. What's an LLM spin? What is an MCP? Okay, what is an SDK? What is an IDE? You understand? So we go over the foundations. All right, and one that's going to be the best because in the new Ascended Masters, we have a 50-50 split on our affiliate program. A 50-50 split on the affiliate program. Now, when you go out there and share with your friends what you've learned inside the Ascended Masters, you make half the cut every month. Monthly recurring revenue for you, myself, and all of the team here. So we go in depth on AI for affiliate marketing. I'll show you exactly how to even use my images, my social media presence, my clones, my ads, my funnels, implement your link, and there you have it, okay? You are now an affiliate marketer. The one and only, the great AI Bank, the bank, BAINK, where all the once a month masterclasses go, okay? Make sure you're paying attention to the bank because when master classes go on, it is indeed a AI master class. All right. So one of our favorites and what we're using here in the new Ascended Masters is AI for accelerated learning and teaching. Now, if you're a teacher, if you're a student, AI can also help you as well using tools like Notebook LM, even how to set up your Claude, how to set up your chat, how to set up your Gemini. You can learn at a faster pace. You can go through more books. You can go through more videos. You can consume real pinpoint knowledge by breaking down entire websites and giving yourself a mini university, a mini course of your own to be able to learn it. And then you'll see how AI is teaching you it. So if it's your business, you're now knowing exactly how to, sell it by the context. Okay. And of course, we have AI for business. I'm a marketer. I'm a salesman. Cool. Right? I know about funnels. I know about websites. I know about apps. I know about meta ads, TikTok ads, Roku ads, ... So this is exactly where AI shows up inside of business. SOPs, functions. What does the CEO do? What does the CMO do? Right? I'm near, I'm aware, and I'm all in AI's hair. Okay, so how dare? That's what's up, y'all. So definitely AI for business is there. Now, one of the favorites, Agentic AI Master. I get you to understand machine learning, human learning, and you're already doing your accelerated learning from AI for learning and teaching. So Agentic AI Mastery, building out true Agentic AI brains, second brains, flocks, if you will. What do they call it out there? See, I call it flocks. They call it an agent swarm. Swarms of your own, and now you're able to enter that field. And again, if you're at work, right? Because there's AI for work's coming up. So when you're at work and you have agents working for you on your job, you're a salesperson, but you have an AI agent that's listening to all your sales calls. You're a marketer, but you have something like Nuamenti that's there to be able to knock out everything for your client, everything for your agency, marketing floor, sales floor, okay? AI for images and automations. You know how we get down, man. Commercials, mini series, music videos, all the possibilities, the flyers, the children's books. Here we go. AI and images and animations. Take back the narrative. Take back the narrative. Take control of any narrative. How to prompt up an image, the best images, the best resources, skills, tools, sites that you're going to use, storyboarding, scripting, thinking like a director. AI for the director. AI for the comic book writer, right? Telling you it's everywhere. Okay, AI for work. Again, if I'm a plumber, okay, I want some AI systems going out there and getting me some more work, right? I understand what the boss needs. This. AI. Hey, I might go get on a job and take a picture of some piping. Take a picture of a toilet, a shower, whatever the case may be, and go ahead and get an analysis and exactly get straight to the job. Okay. If I'm in assistant position, even if I'm lead of marketing, I don't care if you're doing security. There's ways to use AI for work, and it's going to be shown in those modules. All right. AI for apps. Here we go. We hear Claude Code, Codex, anti-gravity, this one, that one. What's going on? What's happening here? Okay. So we're going to look at AI for applications, how to submit them to the Google store, the Apple store. What is a cloud? What are API keys? What are functions? What is SQL? What is Node.js? What is this spin? They said it was no code. So why are you trying to get us to no code? Because if you know code, you flow code. So when you show code, we can all grow code. You know what I'm saying? On the bro code. I can't even stop rapping, guys. Okay? So AI for apps for sure is going to be a great classroom set. This is an AI university here. Okay? All right. AI for optimized lifestyle. Now here it is. Being able to get paperwork back from your doctor. And whatever you get, you can line it up with a Dr. Sebi and a Dr. Lila Africa AI and get your next best holistic meal plan that's fit for you based on what the doctor's seeing inside. You get a metabolic panel. Hey, you get a stool panel. You get a urine test. Get your ketones, your glucose tested. Because everything, hey, I came from Spin City Performance. I've been in the holistic health game for a long time. I've studied under the greats. I hang with them to this very day. Peace to the family. So using AI, again, for your exercise, for your nutrition plan, for your fasting windows, recommendations, hydration, and however else you see. Great for my fitness trainers. Great for my coaches. Great for the healers. AI for optimized lifestyle. And then there is the almighty, the inner city mentorship. This is when I take you by the hand. This is when I take you by the hand, family. 6 weeks. 2 one-on-one hours per week. Uh, 2 hours per week to use on video. I think I broke that down backwards because it was originally 2 calls per week. but 2 hours a person gets to spend with me. We build together. I can code with you. I can do images with you. I can do animations with you. I can do websites with you, funnels, meta ads, Google ads, learning, playbooks, cookbooks. I'm with you. Everything I know, I'm with you. Okay? Rocking and rolling. Ideas in the Income is an active course, a standalone course inside of there. So that's what's going on. How it's going to run, how it's going to start to run, how it's going to start to look. That was the intro of what's happening. So how it's going to go is it's going to be a video. Did I write it down yet? Let me look in here real quick, y'all. Okay. It's going to work off of a syllabus. So you'll see the syllabus with the course description, course goal, learning outcomes, required tools, what the modules are. Okay. And everything comes with a video. So it comes with a full-length video that has a lecture and that has a demonstration that leads to the activity. Lecture, demo, activity. Okay, lecture, demo, activity. A short form, too long, didn't watch video. I mean, watch the real thing, but some key information that AI is going to size up. The summary and the activity book. You'll have your proof post. So you're going to prove that you did this out there in the rest of the school to show the community we're all working here. We're active here. We're Ascended Masters here. Okay? Proof post, and then a qualifying quiz. AI, the Ascended Master himself, Ascended Master, it's AI. It's going to grade it. Your qualifying quiz, and you'll be on and cracking. Again, welcome. Peace, love, longevity to you. Thanks for seeing your boy Spin here. Go ahead and enjoy the AI Foundations course. And then I'll see you in whatever classrooms you guys get into and have some fun. Stay active, stay scoring. We have also rewards coming out, goals coming out, challenges coming out, in-person meetups going on. So it's cracking, y'all. Peace to the family, man. Peace to you and yours. Welcome to the Ascended Masters. Wonderful to see you here. It's been your boy, Spin.